Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your Nothing Headphone 1 to Windows PC. To pair them to Windows PC, first you need to open Settings. You can see I already have them opened, but if you can't find them, either find this search bar, or even if you don't have the search bar, just click on the Windows icon on the taskbar, then type in Settings. You'll easily find them. You can see I already have them, so let's go to Bluetooth and Devices. Then make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. If you don't have Bluetooth at all here, that means that Bluetooth isn't supported on your computer, and if you want to use Bluetooth, you can buy a special dongle or connect your headphones using the jack port. You can see there's this jack port, and there is a jack cable included, so you can just use that and connect it with a cable. But if you want to do it for Bluetooth, your computer needs to support Bluetooth, but as I said, you can buy a dongle if it doesn't, and that dongle is about like $10, so it's not that much. Then you can go to Devices, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and click on Add Device. Click on Bluetooth, and now we need to make sure that our Nothing headphones are turned on. You can see this physical switch at the bottom. Now it's turned off because you can see there's red, and now they are turned on. Then you'll need to press and hold on this hidden pairing button. It's on the right headphone. You'll need to press and hold on it for like 3 seconds. You may hear some little sound once it goes into pairing mode. And now I can select Nothing Headphone 1, and they say connected, and they are indeed. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.